Welcome to Libertex. As silver falls deeper into bear territory, there appears to be hope on the horizon with the looming FOMC meeting in the background as the US dollar softens slightly ahead of the event. Can silver break through the resistance channel it's trading around now and push back into the $27 range where it was trading at pre-sell-off? We'll be diving into the latest catalysts for silver prices, as well as take a close look into the technical analysis for silver to evaluate the most recent silver prices and paint a clearer picture on the current patterns and trends. And for the latest content on the silver markets, breakout cryptocurrency trades, stocks, and more, make sure to support us in our research by liking this video and subscribing to our channel to never miss a beat from inside the markets. So without further ado, let's get started with the silver trading update. Silver has continued to slide deeper into the red, recently breaking below $25 an ounce, coming to levels last seen at the start of April. Silver remains a very interesting trade, as the bullish narrative is largely centered around an uptick in demand, with the acceleration of reopening in a post-pandemic world. The reason bullish price points on silver continue to stand as high as they do is largely in conjunction with the bullish narrative surrounding an uptick in demand. There is large speculation that the supply of silver will not be able to keep up. This, for bullish traders of silver, paints a positive pathway for the direction of silver prices if the narrative plays out. However, if the narrative does not hold and contradictions are experienced to put holes in the supply-demand thesis for silver, increased selling pressure is likely to take hold. Silver is highly influenced by the economic indicators as well as the strength of the US dollar. Since a majority of recent PMI numbers across different countries have come out lower than anticipated, as well as how much concern the Delta COVID variant is bringing to the global market, silver could use some help from the upcoming FOMC meeting to usher in some much-needed strength to get back to pre-June levels. A neutral tone from Wednesday's Fed meeting will possibly cap further downside and could re-engage buyers into the silver markets, but a more hawkish tone could potentially result in the further selling of silver. What can the markets expect from silver for the month of August? Well, to get a better assessment, let's take a look into the silver technical analysis to get a read for how the nearest patterns and most recent trading sessions are playing out, as well as looking into the nearest levels of support and resistance to watch for. Alright, we are now in the Libertex terminal looking at the price of silver, and similar to gold, silver has sold off a lot of the gains experienced throughout the year, and appears to be ready to make another decisive move either up or down, as it is hovering around a critical resistance channel sub $25 an ounce. So in terms of support, now that silver has fallen below $25, it is likely that buyers will attempt to mitigate a further sell-off by coming in at the first level of support at around $24.50, and then $24 as the next area of strong support for silver in the short term. In terms of a reversal and break to the upside, silver's immediate point of resistance lies at the $25 level, followed by a more technical level of resistance found at around $25.50. And if silver does manage to retest this level soon, the signs could point to a further run towards the next area of resistance found at $26 an ounce. However, in order to break beyond this level, it's likely that a favorable market catalyst must play out. So silver certainly remains an interesting trade. However, at this point in time, the bull thesis has yet to materialize, and it appears that silver is still in the hands of a bear market, at least in the short term. Some analysts think that silver could get pulled back below $24, but a lot will depend on the reaction to this Fed meeting. So if you're trading silver at the current levels, do consider setting your stop losses at some of the levels of close support in case silver continues to experience the selling pressure that we've seen come into the market. Do you think silver will continue falling, or is this the right time to be a buyer? Let us know your thoughts and price predictions for silver in the comments to join the conversation with our analysts and community. And if you're interested in taking positions with silver and trading it, whether for the long or short term, head over to Libertex.com or view the links in the description to make a free demo account in just a few minutes and get in on the action. Not only do we offer silver, gold, and the other metals, but also the top cryptocurrencies, stock CFDs, forex pairs, and more. We hope you enjoyed this updated silver price forecast video and that it gave you a bit more insight on where we could possibly see silver trading in the coming weeks. Make sure to like this video to help us make more updates and support our mission to give traders a sharper edge. We wish you a great month of trading and look forward to seeing you next time.